As a stay-at-home dad or someone running a daddy daycare, creating a nurturing and stimulating environment for your baby is crucial. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of engaging and entertaining your baby. This involves understanding the importance of fostering a supportive atmosphere that encourages your little one's growth and development. From creating safe play spaces to incorporating enriching activities, we'll uncover the essential elements of engaging with and entertaining your baby while ensuring their well-being and happiness. Interactive playtime activities are essential for your baby's development. Tummy time, sensory play, and baby yoga are not only entertaining, but also crucial for building your baby's motor skills, sensory perception, and overall growth. Tummy time helps strengthen your baby's neck and shoulder muscles, while sensory play stimulates their senses and cognitive abilities. Baby yoga, on the other hand, promotes flexibility and body awareness. In this segment, we'll explore these activities in detail, emphasizing their significance in your baby's physical, cognitive, and emotional development. Music and movement play a significant role in engaging your baby's senses and fostering their development. Through the power of music, you can capture your baby's attention and introduce them to various rhythms and melodies. Additionally, movement activities enhance your baby's coordination and motor skills. In this segment, we'll explore enjoyable and simple ways to incorporate music into your daily routine, from singing lullabies to introducing musical toys. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of music and movement, discovering their impact on your baby's development and well-being. Reading and storytelling are powerful tools for enhancing your baby's cognitive development. By exposing your baby to the world of children's books and interactive storytelling techniques, you can stimulate their imagination, language skills, and emotional understanding. Reading aloud to your baby introduces them to new words and helps them make connections between spoken and written language. In this segment, we'll highlight the numerous benefits of incorporating reading and storytelling into your daily routine, providing a solid foundation for your baby's love of literature and language. Outdoor adventures play a vital role in your baby's exploration and overall development. Through nature walks and sensory outdoor play, your baby can engage with the environment and discover new sights, sounds, and textures. These experiences help in sensory development, promote curiosity, and instill a love for nature. In this segment, we'll share tips for safe and enjoyable outdoor adventures, highlighting the benefits of exposing your baby to the wonders of the natural world. Join us as we delve into the significance of outdoor experiences in nurturing your baby's sense of wonder and discovery.